Here are some tips on using your IH60 nebulizer from Beurer. By way of preparation, place the device on a level surface. To charge the battery of the nebulizer, connect it with a micro USB port and connect the mains adapter to a socket. As soon as the battery is fully charged, all 4 LEDs are permanently illuminated. It is also possible to use the device during mains operation, for example when the battery is flat. Then open the atomizer by twisting the top section anti-clockwise against the medication container. Place the atomizer insert into the medication container and ensure that the cone for administering medication fits well on the cone for the airflow inside the nebulizer. Fill with an isotonic saline solution or pour the medication directly into the medication container and avoid overfilling with more than 6 milliliters. If the prescribed quantity of medication is less than 2 milliliters, top this up to at least 2 milliliters with isotonic saline solution. Dilution is also necessary with viscous medications. Close the atomizer by twisting the top section clockwise against the medication container. Ensure that the connection is correct here as well. Then connect the angled end of the compressed air hose at the bottom of the medication container and connect the straight end to the nebulizer hose connection by twisting it slightly. Attach the adapter to the atomizer and then attach the atomizer to the desired accessory. A mouthpiece, adult mask, children's mask or nosepiece are available as attachments. If you opted for the mouthpiece, firmly place your lips around it. If you opted for the mask, attach it to the mesh atomizer and then hold the mask over your nose and mouth. Now switch on the device using the on-off button. Sit upright and relaxed and breathe in slowly and deeply. Hold your breath for 5 to 10 seconds and then breathe out quickly. In order to ensure the treatment is effective, it is essential to inhale the medication correctly. Otherwise, the particles will not be able to settle. Also, hold the atomizer upright during the treatment. Once the mist is only coming out in an irregular flow or if the sound changes when inhaling, you can stop the treatment. Switch off the nebulizer using the on-off switch and disconnect it from the mains. After the treatment, place the atomizer in the holder on the device. Please note that the device is not suitable for continuous operation. After 30 minutes of operation, it must be switched off for 30 minutes. Before using them for the first time and after use, clean the atomizer and accessories with hot water and, if necessary, disinfect them. In addition, when used under normal conditions, the air filter must be replaced after approximately 100 operating hours or 1 year. Further details can be found in the instructions. Please also observe the instructions for use and safety notes. We hope you enjoy using your IH60 nebulizer from Beurer. Stay healthy.